This might be the best groove I've written in a very long time. Right? This is 2 bars long, so strap in, lads. All the cowbells, or the right-hand accents that are happening, are all going to have a bass drum with them. You can also play this on the ride cymbal if you're feeling boring, but cowbell just sounds cooler. The whole of the first bar is basically the first 2 beats repeated. First beat, 16th notes. Right, left, right. And we do a little sexy buzz on the of 2. So you get... Then you just repeat those 2 beats again. Now bar 2 is where things change up. The first beat is exactly the same as the one before, so right, left, right. Beat 2, accent on 2. And then we're going to do 2 off beats, all the E's and R's. So you're going to get snare, accent, E, ghost note on the and, R. And R. Make sure you practice getting the dynamic contrast between 2 and the and of 2. So if we stick together what we've got so far, which is the first bar and the first 2 beats of the second bar. Beat 3, nice and easy. Left, right, right. Yes, doubles with left hand lead. It just works better that way. Left, left, right, right. Bring it up for an accent on 4. In the left. Now we're on beat 4. This goes accent on that left. E and R. On the E, we've also got a bass drum, and we're going to open this hi-hat as well. And R. Let's stick everything together nice and slow. It's already filthy. It's already great. But what I also then add is an 8th note stepped hi-hat. Just makes everything kind of sit together better. It makes it as if you're playing a groove because you've got that kind of constant foot going on. Give that a go, and then you'll see how everything gels together. Have fun with that. I'm having a great time with it, so I hope you do too.